Dometic Service offers a range of services. We have multiple locations throughout Australia, and we take the time to design the customer system around that allocation of power required.
I found Dometic on the website because I was looking for a local provider and someone who could do everything that I needed to do. So Dometic was an easy choice.
The guys will go through everything that they've done, exactly why they've done it and how they've done it. They'll explain to you how your appliance works and what you need to do moving forward.
The whole process was so simple. A few phone calls and the final result was delivered.
We installed an MPS system. It consisted of 480 watt solar panels, two 200 amp hour lithium batteries and a Marine control. Along with the power system, we installed a DRS dust reduction system, which goes perfectly with the power system.
The result looks fantastic. All we're going to do now is get out in the field and experience it and see how it works.